kumwenia nyagusira Raila Odinga okolekana ase University ya Jaramogi Oginga Odinga elioko mwa Esiko ya yomoelio Eamate abairi abasani abaraina boiga abananchi nigo baikirana elioko mulera Raila Odinga Eamate ya nyagusira omosikira Raila Odinga nigo litkolia lero ya mwa Esiko yomoelio asumuruyoye mama Ida Odinga oyorokanete koba omolemu nanya nabo olenge namayanda amange nigamwa okoboko omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto ase okomwa eskenene omoske Raila Odinga kubabwatesia koene kyabuna Raila ngoeni gwale na maskani oigo nigo Ida amoinyora Raila una omuntu anchete gotegerera abantu baye naende omuntu anchete omolembe asensemo ya mumrumu abo Oburu Odinga nigalira yokubwatia chimbaratiro chaye Raila Odinga ase okurwa obokoleri obuya mulikito Diana Ndemo na mange
gatigati yegesunte kya mariga Eamate Raila Odinga nigo yairalibaga kumunyura omwanchiobo oyomo asoyomo omunyura Raila Odinga nobogima bwaye asenka.
For Baba, you gave all of us your life. You stayed with us and you showed us how to live a good life. And for that, we are extremely thankful. Erokamano Baba.
Our father was someone who believed in us as individuals. As many who have spoken ahead and those who will speak after will let you know. And that is why today we have friends from all over. Our father listened keenly to what we had to say individually, after which he helped us sharpen our ideas. He also helped us to think broadly and find solutions, and to work with others. As you can see through his life, that is what he did. He worked with others. And because of that, we will continue to work together and to work with others, because that was his legacy.
Your Excellency, our people appreciate you honoring our father. Thank you for standing with us. You should also know, in case you are wondering, I'm ready to come back home. If you were wondering. To all the leaders we visited around the world, I will return personally to thank you. Thank you, Kenya. God bless you all. God bless the Republic. God bless Baba's legacy. Long, the king is dead, but long live the crown. Thank you.
Emiaka ya bwango yenyoma ya Raila Odinga nigo yabe kwa teneni no mumuro mwabo Dr. Oburu Odinga. Omwancho Raila Odinga oyobono oromotakanwa mama Ida Odinga nigaro kyobolemu na kwerera buna obogima bwae bwokoba omurugi bwenka no mwanchi bo mwanasiasa bware.
Raila has been my husband for the last 52 years. Many of you who are here are younger than 52 years. You could easily have been our children. Like all the couples and families, we also had our ups and downs. But we've learned one thing, and that is we must talk straight to one another. We must forgive and move on. I know most of the time we used to say, Raila is more of public life, political life, than he is for family life. But every time he came, he gave us what we deserved.
Ruto Odinga nigaira libaga no nyana bokurwa ebirengero byaye bya siasa ase kiama kia ODM.
When my brother was supposed to be taken back to detention in 1990, he was asked where he wanted to go. He said, I'm going to Norway to my sister. Raila became a refugee in Norway, staying with me, Ruth Odinga.
no Nyaraira Odinga orure obugatagati bwa Eamate yaye kurende otigire ebikoro ya Eamate yaye etatebiri etebe Ginkolipoteria egetaseni ya Soko TV iritariane Diana